Ever wondered if your money could explore the cosmos, not just sit in a bank account? What if your investments could take off, propelled by innovation and ambition, reaching for distant, high-growth opportunities? Welcome, fellow financial adventurers, to the fascinating world of spaceship investing. Now, before you picture your portfolio literally rocketing to Mars, let's clarify. Spaceship investing isn't about buying shares in Elon Musk's next SpaceX venture, though that could be part of it. Instead, it's a powerful metaphor for a particular investment strategy, one that emphasizes long-term growth, disruptive innovation, and a willingness to venture into uncharted territory for potentially massive returns. Think about it, building a spaceship isn't about quick wins. It's a colossal undertaking, requiring immense foresight, significant capital, and a tolerance for risk, all aimed at a distant, ambitious goal. Similarly, spaceship investing isn't for day traders or those seeking immediate gratification. It's for investors who are prepared to commit for the long haul, to weather volatility, and to bet on the future. At its core, spaceship investing revolves around identifying and investing in companies, industries, or technologies that are poised for exponential growth and transformative impact. These are often businesses operating at the bleeding edge of innovation. Think artificial intelligence, biotechnology, renewable energy, advanced robotics, or, yes, even genuine space exploration. These aren't your typical blue-chip stocks offering steady, incremental returns. These are ventures with the potential to fundamentally reshape our world and, consequently, generate unprecedented wealth for their early backers. So, how does this grand strategy actually work in practice? It begins with a deep dive into research and an almost futurist mindset. You're not just analyzing past performance, you're looking for signs of future disruption. This means identifying megatrends, large, transformative forces that will reshape industries and economies over decades. Once these megatrends are identified, the next step is to pinpoint the companies that are best positioned to capitalize on them. Are they innovators? Are they disruptors? Do they have a sustainable competitive advantage? Diversification, while still important, takes on a slightly different flavor in spaceship investing. Instead of broadly diversifying across established sectors, you might diversify within these high-growth, often nascent, areas. For instance, rather than putting all your eggs in one AI basket, you might invest in several different AI companies, each focusing on a different aspect of the technology, or even in the underlying infrastructure that supports AI development. Another crucial aspect is patience. Spaceship investments can be incredibly volatile in the short term. Early-stage technologies often face significant hurdles, regulatory challenges, and intense competition. There will be setbacks, corrections, and periods of doubt. A spaceship investor understands this and views these dips not as reasons to abandon ship, but as potential opportunities to acquire more shares at a lower price. They are playing the long game, focusing on the ultimate destination rather than the turbulence along the way. It also demands a certain level of conviction. You're essentially placing a bet on a future that hasn't fully materialized yet. This means being comfortable with uncertainty and having a strong belief in the transformative power of the technologies or industries you're investing in. It's about seeing beyond the present market noise and envisioning the world 5, 10, or even 20 years down the line. Finally, while the allure of massive returns is undeniable, it's important to approach spaceship investing with a clear understanding of the risks involved. Not every moonshot will reach its target. Some companies will fail, and some technologies won't pan out. Therefore, it's crucial to only allocate capital you can afford to lose and to maintain a balanced portfolio that also includes more stable, established investments. Spaceship investing is about more than just making money. It's about participating in the future, about backing the innovators and visionaries who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's a strategy for those with a long-term outlook, a tolerance for risk, and an insatiable curiosity about what lies beyond the horizon. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.